Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi Q3 Technik finished in the modern Mythos Black metallic paintwork. This 2022 model comes with a 1.5 litre petrol engine with 150 PS and a manual transmission, delivering impressive fuel efficiency. The top features include the striking LED headlights for great visibility, stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, black roof rails for secure road trips, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including Q3 and 1.5 TFSI badging, and this is all topped off with rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 530 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full cloth trim for that comfortable look and feel. The front houses the multifunctional leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and front full cloth seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the exterior lighting in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort, off-roading, or for any other preferred driving style. Just below, the dual zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs. This is alongside the central console that features a phone box with two USB-C charging ports, a gear stick, two cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.